गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट. नवयुवक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली वेलकम you in e-learning platform prepared by myself, Dr. Shubhangi Prabhakarao Chauhan, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. Semester pattern curriculum under choice based credit system CBCS for undergraduate program. Faculty of Science and Technology, subject Botany. Year BSc first year. Paper second. Name of the paper Plant Ecology, Phytogeography and Environmental Biology. Now, semester pattern curriculum under choice based credit system CBCS for Botany. BSc first year semester first. Theory paper second, Plant Ecology, Phytogeography and Environmental Biology. Now, unit first, ecological factors. Introduction, scope of ecology, ecological factors, climatic factors, light, temperature, wind, humidity, adaptive factors, soil, moisture, temperature, soil pH, soil formation, composition and soil profile. Now, unit second, ecological adaptation, morphological and anatomical adaptation in hadrophytes, Hadrillastine and Nymphia petiole, xerophytes, Nerium leaf and Casuarina stem, general characters of halophytes and epiphytes. Now, next, unit third, ecosystem and plant communities. Ecosystem, introduction, structure, type, pond ecosystem and forest ecosystem, tropical level, energy flow in ecosystem, food chain, food web and ecological pyramids, community ecology, community characteristics, frequency, density, life form and ecological succession, hedgerows, analysis of plant communities, coordinate method. Now, last unit, unit 4, phytogeography and environmental biology. Introduction, biogeographical regions of India, biodiversity hotspot of India, environmental pollution, air, water and soil pollution, causes, effect and control measures, soil aeration and soil conservation, afforestation, deforestation and Chipko movement, environmental education and awareness. Now, theory paper second, plant ecology, phytogeography and environmental biology, unit wise distribution of period and marks. Unit title, ecological factors, 10 period, 28 marks, ecological adaptation, 12 marks, 12 period, 28 marks, ecosystem and plant combination communities, 13 period, 28 marks, phytogeography and environmental biology, 10 period, 28 marks, practical and theory, practical and theory marks distribution. Botany curriculum BSc second, BSc general semester pattern choice based credit system CBCS, skeleton question paper BSc first year semester first, theory paper, time 2 hours, maximum marks 40. Note, attempt all questions carry equal marks. Draw neat and well-labeled diagram whenever necessary. Question first, essay type question or short question based on unit first and second 15 marks. Question 2, essay type question or short question based on unit third and 4 15 marks. Question number 3, write short note on any two of the following, each of 5 marks, A, B, C and D, based on all units 10 marks. Now, practical paper 5 based on theory paper 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, maximum mark 100 practical exercises. These practical exercises, 21 practicals in annual pattern pattern. Now, practical paper 5 based on theory paper 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, time hours 4 hours, maximum marks 100. Note, attempt all question, show you preparation the examiner. Draw neat and well-labeled diagram whenever necessary. Question first, identify, classify and describe the given specimen A to algae from mixture oblique fungi on the basis of external and internal characters. The specimen A may be given alternately to the students, 15 marks. Question number 2, identify, classify and describe the given specimen B, Bryophyta oblique Pteridophyta oblique Gymnosperms on the basis of external and internal characters. The specimen B may be given alternately to the students, 15 marks. Now, question number 3rd, make a temporary preparation of the given specimen C. Identify and describe its internal structure of ecological interest. Hadrilla stem, Nerium petiole, Nymphia petiole, oblique Casuarina stem, oblique Nerium leaf. Specimen C may be given alternately to the students, 15 marks. Question number 4, describe, identify and classify the given plant specimen D with floral formula and floral diagram. Flowering twig of easily available plant for specimen D may be given alternately to the student, 15 marks. Question number 5, spotting, identify and describe the spot A, B, C, D and E as per the given instruction. A, algae oblique fungi, B, bryophyte oblique pteridophyte oblique gymnosperms oblique fossil. Specimen C, ecology, D and E, taxonomy oblique morphology of families of flowering plants, 10 marks. Question number 6, visit, excursion report. Now, short tour, long tour, field visit tour. Question number 7, viva and voice, 5 marks. Thank you, student.